In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format table as medium in Excel. If you've ever struggled to make your data both readable and professional, this is a quick win. Formatting a range as a table not only gives it a clean look, it also unlocks automatic filtering, consistent styling, and easier analysis. Our goal is simple: turn your data into a table and apply a medium style for balanced contrast and clarity. Start by highlighting the data you want to format. Click and drag to select the entire block of cells that belongs together, including your column headers if you have them. Make sure there aren't any completely blank rows or columns splitting the data, because Excel treats empty lines like boundaries. If your headers are in the first row, double-check that they're clearly labeled. This helps Excel recognize them correctly. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and choose Format as Table. You'll see a gallery of built-in styles. As soon as you click any style, Excel will prompt you to confirm the range it detected. Look over that address to ensure it covers everything you selected and nothing extra. If your first row contains headings, make sure the My Table Has Headers option is checked. This keeps your headers on top, applies the proper formatting to them, and adds filter drop-downs automatically. Confirm to create the table. Now, navigate within the Style Gallery to the Medium section and pick a design that fits your sheet. Medium styles strike a great balance. They typically provide banded rows for easy reading, a stronger header for contrast, and a color scheme that stands out without overwhelming the page. Hovering your mouse over a style gives you a live preview on your data, so take a moment to compare a few options before clicking to apply. If the colors clash with your workbook theme, try a different medium variant. There are several tones to choose from. Once the medium style is applied, you'll see the Table Design tab appear on the ribbon whenever the table is selected. From there, you can refine the look further if needed. Toggle banded rows or columns for readability, show or hide the filter buttons, and adjust special formatting like a total row. You can also switch to another medium design at any time from the same gallery without losing your data or structure. And that's it. By selecting your data, using Format as Table, and choosing a medium style, you've made your worksheet cleaner, more consistent, and easier to use. Try it on your next dataset to save time and present your information with confidence.